Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I haven't been to Dollar Tree very much at all since I have been a teacher for my daughter for her high school as she's doing remote learning. So that's really where all my time has been going lately. But I've missed making videos for YouTube, and I did have a craft that I wanted to make. So I thought, since I'm making it, it's a good opportunity for me to film a DIY. So I did go with the purpose of picking up some items for this DIY, and then I found a few other things along the way. So if you care to see this Dollar Tree haul, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start off the haul, I came across these baby head wraps by Baby, and I thought they were super cute. Head wraps can be expensive depending where you buy them. I mean, not super expensive, but more expensive than $1.50, and I thought these were so pretty in this dusty rose pink color, so I picked up two. Then I went over to the dog section and I came across these Hershey dog toys, and I thought they were so cute. This one has the crinkly inside, and then it also has, pretty sure it had a squeaker too. Yeah, right there. So really cute. Hershey milk chocolate. And then I came across this one, which is the Hershey's Kiss, and it has the rope on the end, and then it has a little bit of the crinkly and the squeaker as well. So I thought that was a really nice find. Over in the kitchen section, I picked up this paddle cutting board. In the crafting section, I came across these faux sea sponges, which I'm excited to try because these will be great for in my reborning when I paint. This is the type of sponge, or at least if you're not using a sea sponge, then you take a regular sponge and you pluck out little holes the way you see here, and then it's used for the modeling of the baby skin. So I'm really excited to try these out. I have not seen them there before, so that was a nice find for me. And then I came across in the decor section another Cathedral Decor piece. This one says family, and then this one says welcome. And just so you know, because sometimes people like to know if this little metal plate can come off, it is kind of cut out in the cathedral window in the back. So I have a place where I want to put these. I may just hang a little wreath over it where I want it, but I'm not quite sure yet. I just thought they were cute, and I love any kind of window, cathedral window decor. Okay guys, so here I just am showing you where I place the Dollar Tree cathedral decor on my DIY shelves that I made using Dollar Tree items. I realized that I never did show how these looked hung up, and I said that I would, so I wanted to show you how they look hanging on my wall, and I absolutely love them. I made these using all Dollar Tree items except for this wreath here, which I did purchase these at Dollarama. I wish they'd bring back some more because they were such a great deal. But if you have not seen this DIY and you care to see how I put these together, I'll post the link in the description box below this video. Okay, so as I said, I had a DIY planned to do for my back entryway. So I did get quite a few items for this. Sometimes my DIYs are not the most cost effective, but a lot of times I do enjoy doing them because I enjoy crafting, and also because you can create something that you can't find in every single store. I still think that it's not bad for what I spent, or what I spent to put this DIY together. And I think it's gonna really turn out great. So hopefully I get the chance to film this so that I can share it on my channel. So I ended up picking up 8 of these Christmas trees, 18-inch from Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 of these rugs, Northern Tree Farm. These are my favorite from Dollar Tree. And I'll only be using 2 for this particular DIY. I picked up 4 of these Dollar Tree Decor. And then I also picked up, which I forgot in the entryway, is some Ready Board from Dollar Tree. But if you care to see how I'm putting this DIY together, definitely look for that. As I said, I'm gonna try really hard to film it and post it and share it. So I'm really excited to see how it all comes together. Of course, I have a couple other things that I will include in the DIY, but I already have those on hand. Next up, I picked up some signs and this 1 pack of gift tags, and I really love these because even if you don't celebrate Christmas and you want to give a gift, this is more a wintry gift tag. So I thought they were really pretty in the silver and blue. Or if you do celebrate, you can still use them for Christmas. They're just really pretty, and you get 18 in a pack. I picked up this sign that says, "Let it snow, sledding, build a snowman, snowball fight, drink hot cocoa, sit by the fire, and winter wonderland." These I remember from last year and I love them. They are the barn, and there was only 1 left of this one, which it kind of got a little bit damaged, which was pretty sad, but I may end up DIYing these anyway, so that's why I picked it up. But this one says Merry and Bright in the white faux wood barn, and then this one says Season's Greetings in the darker faux wood. This one I thought was really nice as well. It says Home for the Holidays in the red and black buffalo check, and then for the O it has this little wreath. So I thought that was sweet. These are my favorite signs, and again, I do remember these from last year, so I picked up a few more. This one here says Christmas tree, pine, cedar, fir, spruce. So Christmas Tree Farm, cut your own. And this one says hot cocoa bar, 50 cents, warm up here on the farm. Love that one. All 3 of these I absolutely love. Actually, yeah, all 3. And then this one here says reindeer sleigh rides, 5 cents per ride, warm blankets and hot cocoa. And then this sign, it's the most wonderful time of the year, which I thought was really sweet as well. Okay guys, and the last item that I have to share with you for this Dollar Tree haul is another favorite that Dollar Tree sells at this time of year, and they are the fabric decor trees. And as you can see, they are fabric. They're red on the back and then the plaid on the front, and I love this plaid. I did pick up all the ones that they had in this print, and because I knew that if I didn't, when I went back, they would not have any more. They also had the black and white buffalo check and the red and black buffalo check, and I wished I had picked up a few of them. But as I said, by the time I go back, I'm pretty sure they will be gone. These tend to sell out fairly quickly. So it's a stuffed fabric tree on a dowel, and then that is on this MDF round. And I think they are super cute. I plan on using these in my sunroom slash work area, and I think they will look really nice and add that pop of red that I want to add in there. And guys, that'll do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.